Education breeds confidence. Confidence breeds hope. Hope breeds peace. A man who has committed a mistake and doesn't correct it is committing another mistake. I hear and I forget. I see and I remember. I do and I understand. He who excels in study can follow an official career. The essence of knowledge is, having it, to apply it, not having it, to confess your ignorance. When I walk along with two others, from at least one I will be able to learn. Acquire new knowledge whilst thinking over the old, and you may become a teacher of others. It is not possible for one to teach others who cannot teach his own family. Knowledge is recognizing what you know and what you don't. Learning without thought is labor lost, thought without learning is perilous. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. We are brothers by nature, but foreigners by education. The honorable man begins by applying what he wants to teach, and then he teaches. Tan skin of a leopard cannot be distinguished immediately from the tan skin of a ram. Learn as though you would never be able to master it, hold it as though you would be in fear of losing it. Give a bowl of rice to a man and you will feed him for a day. Teach him how to grow his own rice and you will save his life. Study the past if you want to intuit the future. Every truth has four corners. As a teacher I give you one corner, and it is for you to find the other three. Success depends upon previous preparation, and without such preparation, there is sure to be failure. How can you love people without encouraging them? And how can you be loyal to people without educating them?